Hey, this is Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions, and we're back at the parking lot that we graded out about a month and a half ago in Kirkwood. And you can see that another company's come in now and done the curbs, got most of the curbs done, and put in this light post with some of the electric and so forth. Looks like they did a pretty nice job, and you can see this was the parking lot that had just all the hydrostatic pressure, and the mud and everything was just so pumped up. It was terrible, but it's looking pretty good now, and we've got probably a little bit of grading to do to try to smooth this out a little bit for the guys that are going to do the paving. But you can see they got the little islands or the bump outs done here. And today we were going to come and try to backfill behind the curbs along this area and inside these areas here. It's still really wet. I mean, you can just see all the water and everything. I'm not looking forward to trying to get in here with my equipment. It's always something with this rain and this mud and stuff. We've had a very wet past 3 months here in St. Louis. So anyway, this is Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions. What solution can we bring to you? Give us a call at 314-308-7161. Check us out on the web, www.sovereignexcavation.com. Let us know what we can do for you. Thank you.